Welcome back to Ride JBI. I'm JB. In front of me, I have some WP Pro Component suspension. These are the WP Exact Pro 7548 forks and the WP Exact Pro 8950 shock. Join us as we build it to our JBI Pro Motocross spec so that this suspension will be ready to race next year's 2025 Pro Motocross National Series. All right, so for this JBI spec Revalve, we're going to modify the internals of the fork dampers. What I mean by that is modify and change the shim stacks that are inside there. During that time, we're also going to install and replace some of the hard parts as well. One of those items is going to be our JBI titanium subvalve. That is this gold piece right here. That is going to ensure that this rider always has a good amount of hold up during his aggressive riding. So that way the forks won't ride low in their travel. This is very important for our faster and more experienced riders, as they tend to be going a lot higher speeds and need more hold up out of that suspension than somebody like myself, an amateur and much slower rider. To go along with that as well, we're gonna also up these to our JBI leaf spring style mid valve that will replace the WP cone valve inside there. We have great settings for both style of mid valves, whether it's a cone valve or our JBI titanium leaf spring style mid valve. However, through a lot of back-to-back testing and rider feedback, riders tend to prefer our shim style mid valve, again, the titanium leaf spring style mid valve. So we will install that during the revalve time as well. That'll help make sure that the forks always have plenty of high-speed damping resistance, so these forks have good bottoming resistance during those jumps. And then to take that bottoming resistance even further, we're going to install our JBI Titanium Pro purchase. And then to cap all of that, we're going to valve the suspension in a way that it has a very plush initial feel over the small initial bumps. And then we're allowed the rest of the JBI hardware to take over to again ensure that it has good hold up during aggressive riding and very good bottoming resistance during high impacts. So compared to this already high performing stock WP Pro Component suspension, it's going to be even smoother on the small and medium bumps, have even better hold up and even better bottoming resistance. So let's get started on this build. So while the forks are draining in the tub to the left of me, I've already mounted up this WP Exact Pro 8950 shock. We're going to revalve it to a matching setting to the front forks, so that way this bike has a good balance in terms of the suspension damping front to back. This will ensure that the bike rides nice, even, and level as the rider goes over the uneven terrain that you find on the motocross track. Now, these shocks already come at a very high performing level. So what we're going to be doing are some pretty minor modifications. What I mean by that is we'll strictly be revalving these shocks. There won't be any hard parts that we change out on these shocks. Again, reason being, this shock already has very high performing and well-designed parts in it. Now, if you have a WP OEM shock, we do have some good hard part upgrades, so that way we can turn your OEM shock to have more similar features and hard parts as this WP kit shock. And you can do it at a fraction of the price. So to get moving on this, we're going to begin with backing out the compression clickers on top, our rebound clickers on bottom, and then we'll work on removing the spring next. And then we'll continue on our JBI spec revalve. So we are at the halfway point on our JBI spec revalve on these WP Exact Pro 7548 forks. We've modified the internal valving of these Exact Pro cartridges. Now that we have them mounted in our bleeding fixtures, what I mean by that is we've poured oil inside of these cartridges and now we are bleeding the air out of them. What's nice about having these separate bleeding fixtures is that we can really take our time to ensure we get all the air bubbles out of these damping cartridge. That is very important to ensure you get the full amount of compression and rebound damping resistance. After we've got all the air out of the cartridges, we will go ahead and install our now JBI spec WP compression assembly. Again, the key component of this is our JBI titanium subvalve.